Hello guys, this is TV Coder here. In today's video I will teach you about the HTML and CSS. This is a new series of the TV Coder here, since we learning about PHP programming or fundamental, and this video we talk about the web designing. So you don't need about XMPP. All you have to do is text editor, only text editor. So you can use the notepad, or I had Atom here. So let's get started. Open your text editor. You don't need web server because we don't really want to need it for a while. There is a previous video. I will close and new file. I want to save, not in C drive. I will make a new folder, web design, and go inside it. I will name it index.html. Don't forget. Since we make the index.html, all you need to have to do is put the doc type HTML is standard for the HTML5, and open the tag and close the tag. HTML is really important, otherwise your code is not standard HTML. And put the title and put the head first. And put the title, simple web page, and need to make a body tag. Okay, that's it. The title means is pretty much you have like you have a website, have a title name like this. Example, welcome to the official epoxy, example like that. But if I make like this, simple web page, it will shown simple web page, but there is nothing on this contents of your page because we don't initialize yet. I want to say about hello world, and you don't need use localhost. Just type your file drive you save your file on the web design. That says hello world. But the disadvantage of the HTML and CSS is page is very static page, doesn't have a dynamic web page. If you want the very interactive web page and more dynamic, you need have some sort of back end programming like PHP or Ruby or something like that. Okay, there is we print the text hello world, but I don't want the color is just plain black. I want use another color, which is we need to search it. You can search it with Trisco, or you have Photoshop. Just use the Photoshop. I need to search paint color code here. I want the color like this, and put the color hex. And you need to have some CSS file, you need to open a new file and save it. Just put on the same folder in the same directory tree. I want to save it as style.css. There we go. But we need to initialize the tag so we can color the text which we wanted to. So I want to put a tag as a label or label. There is some sort of ID and class. The difference ID or the class is ID is very unique. You can use only on one element on the same file. The class is advantage pretty much for use versatile tag. You can use a different tag with the same class name, so it's very versatile. But I want to use ID because I want to color only this hello world only, not affect the other tags. I want to use the name ID hello. We need to connect the style CSS file. Just simply put the link rel. Don't forget to use string style sheet href. Go to style.css. Just close the tag here, and we save the index.html. So we need to work on style.css. Need to work on this style CSS. If the tag on the this is ID, you need to use the hash sign. If you use the class, you need to use dot sign. Since we use ID, we need to use a hash sign hello. Open the curly brackets and close the curly brackets, and we need to set color of the text equals this hex code color. Need to save it, and we need to refresh the page. It changed the color name. So this is a very simple HTML and CSS tutorial. This is very simple, very informative. You had understand what I'm talking about. And next video I will show you guys how to coloring your background page on your website. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video on tomorrow. See you soon. Bye bye for now.